Welcome back, students. If you are preparing for your WAEC, NECO, or JAMB exams, we are here to help. At QandAHelp.com, you can find everything you need to feel ready for your upcoming examinations. Today, we are looking at how to calculate the central angle of a circle when you are given the arc length and the radius. Here is our question. An arc of length 22 centimeters subtends an angle theta at the center of a circle. If the radius of the circle is 15 centimeters, we need to find the value of theta using 22/7 for pi. First, let's identify what we know. The arc length, S, is 22 centimeters. The radius, R, is 15 centimeters. We have our value for pi, and theta is what we are looking for. Listing your variables this way prepares the problem for substitution and ensures you don't miss any specific instructions provided in the question. To solve this, we use the formula for arc length. Arc length, S, equals the central angle divided by 360 degrees multiplied by 2 pi r. This part of the formula, 2 pi r, represents the circumference, the total distance around the entire circle. You can think of the circle like a pizza. While the circumference is the whole outer edge, the arc is just the crust of a single slice. The fraction theta over 360 tells us exactly how much of the pizza we are looking at. Because the arc is part of the circumference, its length is proportional to the fraction of the 360-degree circle that it covers. Now we substitute our values. We replace S with 22, pi with 22/7, and the radius with 15. Let's simplify the right side. Multiplying the numerators, 2 times 22 times 15, gives us 660. So the circumference portion becomes 660/7. Our equation now looks like this. 22 equals theta over 360 times 660/7. Reducing the circumference to a single fraction now makes it easier to move the terms and solve for theta in the next step. To find theta, we must isolate it. We multiply 22 by 360 and 7, and then divide the entire result by 660. Theta is now equal to 22 times 360 times 7 divided by 660. Instead of multiplying these large numbers together, which can lead to mistakes, we can use a cancellation shortcut. Notice that 22 goes into 660 exactly 30 times. We can cancel them out and place a 30 in our denominator. Next, 360 divided by 30 is 12. We cross those out and put a 12 on top. Now we just multiply 12 by 7. That gives us 84 degrees, which matches option C. Using cancellation allows you to solve for theta using only basic multiplication, helping you maintain accuracy while saving time during the exam. We can check our work by looking at the proportions. 22 centimeters is 7/30 of the full circumference. Therefore, the angle must also be 7/30 of 360 degrees, which is 84. Let's try a quick quiz. Radius 7, arc length 11, what is the angle? Plugging those in, the answer is 90 degrees. Next, radius 21, angle 60 degrees. What is the arc length? Working forward, the length is 22 centimeters. For more practice and detailed explanations for WAEC, NECO, and JAMB, please visit QandAHelp.com and subscribe to this channel. Consistent practice with these steps helps you handle different variations of circle geometry. Keep working through these problems, and I will see you in the next lesson.